selecting the working committee and the council, selecting the working committee and the exchange of the council members. So it's a very specific effort where the study group will show the specific changes they have done on the paper, on the process, based on feedback from the community. Okay? So the question I would like to clarify before we start is there are two options of doing that. Either the study group presents the whole slideshow, all the changes, and you take notes or you remember whatever you want to ask. And at the end of the whole slideshow, we have a debate and question and answer. That's the one option. The other option is that after each slide, we have a short 5 to 7 minutes where there can be clarifying questions on that specific slide. The second option would need quite a bit of discipline from you people, that there are no comments or opinions, but really just clarifying questions on the slides at that point. So our question to you is, what do you prefer? Do you prefer to go through the whole slideshow and then have a question-answer debate as a second half? Or should we go slide by slide and be very, very strict on only clarifying questions at that point after each slide?
End of the slideshow.
Option 1.
End of the slideshow, we go through the whole slideshow. If you have comments, questions, you write them on a piece of paper, and afterwards we open a debate as a second half. Okay? I heard that 2 people said that very clearly. I don't hear anything else, so let's go with that.
Neither of the two.
Huh?
Neither of the two.
Neither of the two. That's not an option.
Neither of the two.
Neither. Okay. I said neither of the two. That's not an option. So let's start with a minute of silence. Yeah, Darren?
I just would like to ask one question before it starts actually, to the facilitator. You are facilitating the meeting.
I'm facilitating.
Yeah. See, what happened the land board meeting was you facilitated, it was really hijacked. And the next meeting was facilitated by the RAS. It's fantastic. So I was thinking that maybe RAS can facilitate, that Udam it's another different perspective.
First of all, I want to clarify that I'm not here as Udam, I'm as a Gira, as a facilitator, and if you want somebody else to facilitate, that's the choice of the meeting.
But I would be happy that RAS can facilitate the meeting.
I think Inge is here, so it's up to Inge.
Choice of the study group.
Exactly. I mean, the study group has asked you.
Choosing and asking Mira to be the facilitator today. And I don't know if there is a large objection to that, and you can look at the
I would like Mira to facilitate.
So, is there other more objections, or? I don't know. Because for us, we are very happy that Mira do the facilitation.
Yeah, I don't know. Please do it.
No, see, for me, I have a lot of questions.
We support Elvira as facilitator.
Saraj?
I don't mind facilitating, but the last meeting we a lot of us felt we were not able to express much.
Okay, so this is exactly what we're talking about. So as a facilitator, I just want to take a minute to look at this. The people who are calling for the meeting are calling for it with an objective. They want to do something in that meeting.
Well,
The study group and the council today. Wait, can you try and understand what I'm explaining to you, because it's important. Okay. So the facilitator sits with these people in the beginning of the meeting and say, what do you want to achieve today? So whatever I do is based on what the group who calls the meeting would like to have as an outcome. I just want to make that clear. So it's a structure and a process. And if we want to have a more unstructured meeting, that's also fine. I leave the choice to the study group because basically it's not my choice. So I would like to start asking you again now, what do you want to achieve on today's meeting?